Hello friends, let's try another problem from LeetCode, Excel sheet column title. So in this problem, we'll have a input number and we'll have to print the corresponding Excel sheet number, Excel sheet column title, as it would appear in Excel. So for example, in Excel, we have first column as A, B, C, and once we adjust A to Z, then it will start with AA, next AB, like this. Here are some sample examples and corresponding output, column number 1 and output A, column number 28 and output AB. So let's start. Here what we have is a 26 alphabet. Uh, so it's basically we are converting our numbers into into another number where 26 is base. Like we are converting uh, like when we are converting the numbers to binary number, what we'll divide by 2 and collect all the remainders. So when we'll divide by 2, we have remainders are 0 and 1. Similarly, when we'll divide by 26, we'll have remainders 0 till 25th. So remainders 0 till 25th would be our new integers in the 26 base. But for 0, we are printing 1. For A, we are printing 1. So we have to adjust the index a bit here to print the corresponding value. So let's start. Okay, we'll take a variable result, take an empty string. We'll do a while loop while column number. So we'll run this loop while our column number is greater than 0. So what we'll do is we'll print our result and append result equals to. We'll use a method chr. Chr would give us the character, and we'll use the remainder of column number percentage 26 plus order of, so order of capital A, which is 65, uh, and we'll get the remainder of our given number, and we'll convert that. But since our, like I said, since our remainder would be 0 till 25, so if I'll input 1 here, so 1, we already have order of A, so 1 would result as output B. So to avoid that, let's add a -1 here, -1 plus this, and then what we'll do is we'll decrement our column number by 26. In Python, the division could result a float, so let's convert it back to integer. And at the end, we'll return our result. Since we'll be running this in loop, let's append our given result with the result of each iteration. Let's run. We have to give quotes around A since it's a character. Let's rerun. Case 1 we got A, case 2 28, we got AB out of AB, and case 3 701 we have a different output. We have AY and ZY. So we have certain issues around the Z. Let's so what we'll do, we'll print Z only if we have a remainder 26. Let's subtract the number prior to doing the operation to adjust the index, and we'll remove it from here. Case 1 output A, case 2 28 output AB, and case 3 701 as ZY. We'll do submit. Thank you for watching.